स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में, जहां पे आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 15 इन पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। तो हमारा आज का टास्क है प्रोग्राम टू चेक वेदर स्ट्रिंग इज पैलिड्रोम और नॉट विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन सॉफ्टवेयर विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड। फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ पाइथन if statement, Python string and string method is required to run this particular experiment. So what is palindrome? Let's try to understand with the help of this simple theory. A palindrome is a string that is the same real forward or backward. So some example of palindromic word are ready wider. So you can read with this side or this side. Both sides the words are same, like ready wider than ready wider. Similarly, verified, then verified. Civic, radar, level, rotor. Similarly, kayak, river, resvaka, madam, and bridge. So in this program, we have taken string and stored in my string first. Then using the method case hold, we make it suitable for caseless comparison. And this method returns the lowercase version of the string. We reverse the string using a built-in function reversed. Since this function returns a reverse object, we use the list function to convert them into a list before comparing. So let's try to understand the code with the help of Visual Studio Code. The program to check if a string is palindrome or not. The first we start with the my string. That is, here we have given the refer. You can read this side, forward side or backward side. So both are same. This is a palindrome. So now make it suitable for caseless comparison. So my string equal to my string dot case full. Then reverse the string. So reverse the string. So reverse string, that is equal to reversed my string. Check if the string is equal to its reverse or not. So if list of my string that is equal to list of reverse string, then print the string is a palindrome. Else, okay, else print the string is not a palindrome. So that is the program. Save this, then Run this. So the string is palindrome. You can check here with the change of this my string. Let's say Python. Guys, so this is not the palindrome. So the string is not a palindrome. So that is the program. Hope you enjoy this particular program. Request to kindly share among your friends. If you like this program, then press like button and do comment. Thank you.